Hi, this is Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today let's look at a 2016 Tige R21. Just getting the Tige 2016 R21 out of the detail lot. Comes with a full mooring cover. Also has a cover over the swim deck on the back. Has the TAPS 3 system underneath, all in fantastic shape. Underwater lights. Stitching, upholstery, everything on the interior is in fantastic shape. This boat's been taken care of extremely well. All the metal flake is fantastic. Interior layout is open and spacious. That is, all of the Tige boats are like that. Has the Wet Sounds tower speakers. Nice large seating area in the bow cap. Has the custom trailer with a spare tire. This is the 2016 Tige R21. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Glad to show you this Tige or any of the other Tige boats that we carry in stock. Come by and see us.